Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have the new Blend Bunny and Robert Welsh Deviation collection to try out for you guys today. This was kindly sent to me in PR. I couldn't be more excited than to create two looks for you guys. I thought I was just getting the eyeshadow palette, but they also sent me the two pairs of lashes. So we'll see if we can use maybe the smaller ones at the top today. I've already swatched out the two glosses, and they are these right here. I knew one was like a purple. I didn't know the other one was going to be a green. The purple one is called Betrayal, and the other one, the green one, is called Good Fortune. Now, everything is in stock right now over on the Blend Bunny website. I believe the entire collection retails for about $90, but if you want the palette alone, it retails for $48. You can use affiliate code, so mine is Steff, and that will save you 10% off of your order. Let's take a closer look inside the palette. Let me just take off the plastic that is here. So here is the palette. Again, it's another rainbow colorful palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I was kind of hoping for something a little bit different. What they did different was the layout, though. So they put the two rows of shimmers, one on the first column, the other on the last column, and then you have three columns of shimmers down the center. And that's about it. You know, you have some light tones, mid-tones, deeper tones. Gray is in here, but otherwise it is still another rainbow palette. So we can talk about that during the application portion. I will be creating two looks for you guys. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, you name it. If that sounds great to you, come on and be part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Robert Welsh, if you're a fan of Blend Bunny Cosmetics, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, check the description box for links and codes to everything that I will be referencing. Some of those links and codes are affiliates, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's dive on into the two looks. If you guys want to see how this palette is going to perform, I'll even do a 10-hour wear test today. Keep on watching. Now, I'm really curious about the green gloss, so I'm just going to put some on. I want to see if it maybe changes colors. Yeah, it's clear. I was thinking, oh, I don't think this is going to be anything I'll wear to work today, but I can see the slight green tint. And I'm sure over like a green lipstick, this would be fabulous, but I'm not doing that to work today. So otherwise on me, it's pretty much just a clear gloss. And that's fine. It feels good. It feels like there's a nice formula. I've already set primer on my eyes, and it is the Sigma eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I'm going to be wearing blue and black to work today, and I'm most likely not going to have time to change into the second look, so or change into one of the looks. So I'm going to be wearing two different looks today. I guess I could really do anything. I mean, this would be a really nice smoky road to look into. Even this right here. This is kind of, actually, no, not the color of my top. My top is a little more blue. This has a little bit more teal. Let's do, I kind of want to do maybe this. I want to take it by row because that's exactly how this palette is set up. It's set up so that you could take it row by row. But I feel like doing this as a nice look. It could also be not as smoky as this one on the bottom, but just a little softer, and I think this row would be really pretty. So I'm going to go in with the first three matte shades, which are Fortune Cookie, that's the lightest one, Ouija, which is the second one, and Zoltar, which is the third deepest matte. And I'm taking Fortune Cookie on a BK Beauty A503. I'm just going to apply this in the transition area, which is up here by the brow bone. This shade has some really nice pigmentation to it. It's looking exactly the way I wanted it to look. On a What's Up Beauty R102, I'm going in with a second shade called Ouija. See, I'm placing this shade right on the brow bone, but also right underneath it. These are very nice shades to give you a very nice, a softer, more take on a better take on a smoky eye, a softer smoky eye. Use the same brush for Zoltar, which is the deepest brown matte. Just focus that out here. Of course, we got a good blend. That is the one thing you can count on when it comes to Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Their formula is always spectacular. Never have to worry about that. So next I'm going to go in with the shade over here. This one is called Paul. And then I'm going to use Rune for the inner corner. For the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go back in with this shade here. I'm going to apply some of my Gourmand Girls shimmer primer to the lid using my damp Morphe and 124 to apply. I'm going to add a little bit of Zoltar, which was the darkest matte, to kind of just soften up the line right here. So I'm taking the lightest shade just to blend. Now on a Rephr 26, I'm going in with Ouija for the lower lash line. Now with my finger, I'm going to pick up this shade right here. All right, guys, I am going to go add the lashes and some eyeliner, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I really love the way it turned out. You see, you can still do a smoky eye, but just use different colors, and I think this is less dramatic than if you were to go in with blacks and deeper browns. I use Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner on the top lash line. I'm using the, I think it's a half lash that came in the set. So I'm using the one at the top. I'll use it for the other eye as well. A little Essence black eyeliner in the lower waterline that I kind of just smudged down there. And that's it. And I'm liking the way it turned out. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. All right, so for this second look, I think I will make it kind of a little colorful. I definitely want to work with the blues since I am going to wear blue today, but I don't know. I'm thinking maybe these 2 rows here. Maybe the green because I love green so much. I'm going to start with this one. And then I'm going to do like a combination of Pisces and tea leaf. And then we'll go from there. Maybe I'll go down to the black to deepen it up. But hydromancy is the first word or the first shade that we're going to go in with. And I'm using my Rephr 15 Mini. And I'm going to focus that right in here in the inner corner. Now I'm going in with tea leaf on that same brush. Very nice. Now I'm going to go into, I was going to go into the black, but I think I'm just going to go into horoscope. I'm using the same brush. That looks really nice. We have a nice blend, nice gradient there. Clean off the brush again, and I'm going to go back with tea leaf. All right, I think that looks really cool. Okay, for the lower lash line, I guess I can incorporate some purple. I'm going to do the deeper purple 8 ball using a Rephr 13 Mini to apply. I'm going to go in with this shade here, number 7, for the inner corner, using a little BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply. I don't know that I'm going to add any shimmer to the lid. I kind of like it the way it is right now. That way you get to see the full gradient. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it like that. All right, let me go add the other lash, take care of finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I think this is my favorite. I love that I decided to leave it as an all matte look on the top and then just that little pop of shimmer for the inner corner. I added the other lash and I think everything looks really nice. For the lips, I went in with a purple gloss, but I added Carnage from Unearthly Cosmetics. They make amazing lip liners and they're only like $6 or $7. And that's how I was able to get this color combo, which I actually think looks good with both looks. So I am gonna go finish getting ready for work. I'm gonna wear test these. I'm not gonna change. I'm gonna leave 2 different eye looks today. I don't have any meetings or anything, thank God, because I have a lot of work to catch up on. But I will check in with you guys once I get home from work. We'll see how the 2 looks held up, and I will give you guys my final thoughts, because I do have some thoughts on this Divination collection from Blend Bunny and Robert Welsh. And yeah, we'll wrap it up later. Hey guys, so 10-hour check-in. This is what the 2 looks are looking like. I still think this one is my favorite, but this one is really pretty too, and both looks did hold up all day. The lip gloss, as you can see, it's just the lip liner that's left from Unearthly Cosmetics, but the lip gloss is definitely something that's a nice, comfortable formula. It didn't get sticky or tacky, but you are going to have to reapply throughout the day. The lashes, oh, I really like the lashes, and I'm wearing the more demure set of lashes, like kind of like the half lash, and I think it's perfect. They're comfortable, they're lightweight, and they're just that perfect amount of lash to where it almost could seem like these are my lashes, right? A little bit, just a little bit something extra. Overall, I think the palette, it's a nice palette, it's a nice collection. I just feel that we already have these colors from Blend Bunny in particular. They do have a beautiful formula, but their palettes are really getting a bit too redundant. And I think it's because all of their palettes are large palettes, and there's only so many shades of blue, there's only so many shades of gray, and there's only so many different formulas and textures out there. And I would love to see Blend Bunny do a smaller collection, maybe a 9-pan palette or a 12-pan palette, maybe do something monochromatic, maybe do something a little more neutral. I know, me, neutral, but something different. I think that would be something better for them. I just feel like while it's a beautiful collection and the palette performs really well, it's just, we have this already. And so I was just hoping, sister agrees, say hi, sister. I don't know if you could see her, but we want to see something different from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. So let me know your thoughts on this. I think both Maggie, the owner, and Robert Welsh, of course, the influencer, the one who collaborated on this, I think they both did a beautiful job, and they're both beautiful and very talented people in their own right. But when it comes to Blend Bunny as a brand, I just feel like we need to change things up. We need just something different, something that they haven't done before. And I think taking it down to a smaller palette, maybe including some other items, maybe a blush quad or blush trio, something like that in a full collection, I think that could be interesting. But let me know what you guys think. Are you going to pick up this collection? Have you picked it up already? It is still in stock, and they do have a restock coming should it sell out. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off full collection or the palette, individual items, whatever you want to get. But let me hear from you guys and let me know which look was your favorite. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye.